and this is the top view. Okay, view is there, front view and top view. So what is the auxiliary view? We can draw the true shape of the object. Okay, na? So here the another reference line. Okay, na? That is parallel to the inclined surface or sloping surface. Okay, so where it is inclined surface here? In front view. So in front view lo manaki inclined surface is there. That is nothing but auxiliary front view. The inclined surface is in top view. The inclined surface is in top view. See here. Here it is the front view and here it is the top view. Okay. So where it is the inclined surface? In top view. Okay. That is known as auxiliary top view. So see here, what is the auxiliary top view? The inclined surfaces of the object in top view. Antenama chudandi. The inclined surface of the object is top view. Okay. So here the auxiliary plane inclined to the VP and perpendicular to the HP. First we find out where it is the inclined surface or sloping surface. The inclined surface is, here it is a front view or top view or side view. Okay. So what is the definition? Here it is the inclined surface is, inclined surface of the object is in top view and here the plane is inclined to the VP and perpendicular to the HP. Okay. So here one process is there how to draw the true shape of the object. Okay. And the next one is auxiliary side views. So auxiliary side view. So kind of front view and side view is given. This is the front view and this is the side view. So see here the inclined surface is in side view. Okay, na? The inclined surface is in side view. These are three types of the auxiliary views is there. Auxiliary front view, auxiliary top view and auxiliary side views. Okay. So now one example problem is there. Draw the question. Draw the auxiliary view of the sloping surface of the object shown in the figure. Draw the auxiliary view of the sloping surface of the object shown in figure. Okay. So here it is front view and top view is given. Okay. This is a question. Okay. So here it is a front view and top view is given. So where it is inclined surface, here it is a front view or top view? Where it is inclined surface? Anyone respond? Where it is inclined surface?
Front view.
Front view.
Front view.
So see here. Here front view and top view is given. Where it is inclined surface? Here it is a front view. Okay, na? So how to draw the true shape of the object. Okay, first of all we can draw the question, okay, as per dimensions. So first we can draw this total length is 120 mm, okay, here 60 and 60, and the total height is 60 mm, okay, and from the 20 mm we can draw the again 120 mm, and here also 20 mm, okay. So next from here to here distance is 60 mm, okay. Now we can join the corners, okay. Then after we can draw the top view. So here the top view is total 60 plus 60 120 mm, and 30 30 60 mm length, and 120 mm and 60 mm, okay. And from the midpoint from here 30 mm to we can draw the 60 mm distance. Now we can draw you can join the two lines, two corners. This is the question. Is it clear the question how to draw?
Ma'am, repeat once again.
Not understand, madam.
Okay, draw the question first of all. First we can draw the top view, sorry, front view. So here the distance is 120 mm, and the total distance is 60 mm, okay. And the next from here to here 60 mm, okay. And the next one so here the height is 40, the height is 20 mm, total 60 mm, okay na? So from the 20 mm we can draw the another 120 mm length, okay. So and we can join the two lines. So here 20 mm is nothing but here also 20 mm, okay. So from here to here 60 mm, okay. Now we can join the two corners, that is nothing but inclined surface, okay. Then after we can draw the top view, okay. Same 120 mm, 60 mm length, and 120 mm and 60 mm. We can draw the one rectangle. So in this 120 mm, from here to here 60 mm, and here to here 60 mm, okay. So we find out the midpoint from here to here 30 mm and 30 mm. Total height is 60 mm, okay na? So already here the 60 mm line is there na? The same way 30 mm midpoint is there na? From this point we can draw the 60 mm line. These two are equal, this one and this one, okay. Now we can join the corners. Is it clear the question?
Final length ఎంత మేడం?
60 mm అమ్మా, ఇక్కడ 60 mm డిస్టెన్స్ లేదా మీకు మిడ్ పాయింట్?
ఓకే మేడం.
సేమ్ హియర్ ఆల్సో 60 mm. From here to here 60 mm distance. From the 30 mm midpoint to from here to here also 60 mm distance.
ಅವತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಹಪ್ತೆಗೆ ತರಕಾರಿ ಯೂಸ್ करना हम ಹಪ್ತೆ ಯೂಸ್ करना फिर का जाओ ना तो कितनी है जी क्या लगे तो खाली कितनी है को 5 तरह के तरकारी कौन से निकालना है तरकारी पहले करना टाइम थर्ड वेव स्टार्ट होता है आज में सब मरते हैं क्या लोग होता क्या लेगा जान खाते हैं थोड़ा सा गाड़ी से पकड़ना उसका तो अचार डाला जो पहले खा लो अचार करें
Is it clear the question?
वो पकड़ने का से 2-3 पकड़ने का से लेक्चर पढ़ाओगे वो करना है गाड़ी खराब रहता है बेकार गाड़ी को
Already mechanical and civil students already is completed.
जान खाते हैं
यस मैम.
पकड़ने में आना है 11:30 होते हैं
Then what is the next step? Tell me, mechanical students.
Extend the lines.
From where?
निकालो पहले में तो नीचे क्या रखो क्या फर्क होगा
I am the front view.
From the inclined surface. Okay, na? But the question is completed. Now we can draw the answer. Okay, now see here. Again we can draw the front view and top view. The answer. Okay, na? So నేను డైరెక్ట్ గా డ్రా చేస్తున్నాను మళ్ళీ. Again we can draw the front view and top view with reference line. X and Y. Here it is a reference line. We can draw the front view and top view. Okay. So now we find out the inclined surface. So where it is inclined surface? In the front view. Okay, na? So we can project the front view up to where it is top view. So see here. Here it is a inclined surface is there. Okay, na? We can project the inclined surface up to top view. Where it is coincide from here. Okay, na? So here also where it is coincide from here this corner and here to here total. Okay, na? So we find out where it is the true shape. This one. అంటే అమ్మా ఇంక్లైన్ సర్ఫేస్ లో మనకు కనిపించింది ఏంటి?
Front view.
ఇంక్లైన్ సర్ఫేస్ ని మనం ప్రొజెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం అమ్మా. ఓకేనా? సో ఇంక్లైన్ సర్ఫేస్ ని ఈ పాయింట్ నుండి ఈ పాయింట్ మనం ప్రొజెక్ట్ చేస్తే మనకు వచ్చిన పాయింట్ ఏంటి? ట్రయాంగిల్ కదా ఇక్కడ కనిపిస్తుందా మీకు? ఇక్కడ చూడండి ట్రయాంగిల్ కదమ్మా.
Madam. Yes madam.
Okay. Now we can draw the true shape of the object. Okay. So here the inclined surface is in front view. We can take the another reference line below the top view. Okay. So for example, the inclined surface is in top view. We take the another reference line above the front view. Okay. So already ఇక్కడ ఏమన్నా మనకి the inclined surface is in front view. Okay. So we take the another reference line that is the x1 and y1. Okay. So first reference line we take the x and y. The another reference line we take the x1 and y1. So why here it is take the inclined surface is here it is a front view. That's why here it is another reference line. We take the below the top view. Okay. And the next one we take the another imaginary plane. Okay, na? So we take the another imaginary plane. That imaginary plane is parallel to the inclined surface or sloping surface. Is it clear? So we take the another imaginary plane. So the imaginary plane is here it is indicating the x2 and y2. Okay, that plane is parallel to the inclined surface. See here, I am taking the another imaginary plane. That imaginary plane is parallel to the inclined surface. మనకి ఇంక్లైన్ సర్ఫేస్ ఇదే కదమ్మా. సో ఇంక్లైన్ సర్ఫేస్ కి మీరు ప్యారలల్ గా అనదర్ లైన్ అనేది డ్రా చేయండి. దట్ ఈస్ ద x2 and y2. Okay. So here is a x1 y1 is a reference line and x2 y2 as a another reference line. Okay. So sorry, x1 y1 as a another reference line and x2 y2 as an imaginary plane. That imaginary plane is compulsory parallel to the inclined surface or sloping surface. Inclined surface and sloping surface are same amma. Okay no? So now we can draw the perpendicular lines from the inclined surface. Okay, we can draw the perpendicular lines from the inclined surface. See here, where it is starting the inclined surface? From here. We can draw the perpendicular line. That means 90 degrees inclination. Okay. And here also, from this point, we can draw the perpendicular line. We can extend. Okay, na? So, from this point, we can draw the perpendicular lines.
हेलो हाँ भाई लगा है
Okay. Is it clear?
जल्दी आ जाओ थोड़ा हाँ हाँ आ जाओ ये दो
Clear, madam.
दो लिखा है ये बहुत बड़े होते ना होता था
So now, so here it is the indications A, B and C. Okay, na? So that is the object. We can draw the true shape of the object. Okay. So from the by using the compass. Okay. We take the compass and by using the compass from the x1 y1 as a reference line. Okay, na? From the x1 y1 as a reference line, we take the distance from A to x1 y1 reference line. By using the compass from the A distance to x1 y1 reference line distance we take. Okay, and the first perpendicular line is there now here x2 and y2. So here the x2 y2 as a center. Okay, we can draw the arc. In the same way, B distance to x1 y1 distance we take. From B to x1 y1 distance, and the second perpendicular line x2 y2 as a center, we can draw the another arc. Here it is a B and here, here it is a A and here it is a B. With the same way, from the C point, from the C to we take the distance x1 y1 reference line. So here it is a second perpendicular line as a center. We can draw the arc, that is the C point. Okay. Once again I will explain. See, from the A point, from the A to we take the distance up to x1 y1 distance. Okay. And here is the center point. We can draw the one arc. From the B point. Okay, na? Again, from the B to x1 y1 distance. This is the center. We can draw the arc. From the C point, from the C to we take this distance and this is the center, we can draw the arc. Here it is a C point. Okay. So now we can join all the points from the A, B, C and A. Okay, na? So this is the auxiliary view, that is nothing but the true shape of the object. Okay, na? This view is called auxiliary view, auxiliary front view. Is it clear? The draw చేయాల్సిన answer idamma, the triangular ABC.
మేడం ఆ పాయింట్స్ కట్ చేసేది ఎక్కడి నుంచి మేడం? x2 y2 నుంచా?
First we take the distance from A to this point.
ఎస్ మేడం, డిస్టెన్స్ తీసుకొని x2 y2.
Okay. Then next x2 y2